In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video in Elementor step by step, so you can place a video on any WordPress page in just a few minutes. Whether you want to embed a YouTube video, a Vimeo clip, a Dailymotion video, or even a self-hosted file, Elementor makes the process simple once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress and Elementor tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Pages. Find the page you want to edit, then click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor and take you into the visual drag-and-drop interface, where you can build your page and place content exactly where you want it. Once the Elementor editor loads, look at the left-hand Widgets panel. In the search box, type Video. You should see the video widget appear right away. Now all you need to do is drag and drop that video widget into the section or container on your page where you want the video to appear. As soon as you drop it in, Elementor will load a default video preview that you can customize. Now focus on the left panel and click the Content tab. This is where you control the main video settings. The first option you'll see is Source. From the drop-down, choose the platform you want to use. Elementor gives you options like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or self-hosted. If your video is already on YouTube, choose YouTube. If it's on your own server or WordPress media library, choose self-hosted. This step is important because the source determines how Elementor handles the video. Next, paste the video URL into the link field. Make sure you copy the full correct link for the video you want to embed. If you're using YouTube, grab the share link or video URL. If you're using another platform, use the specific link for that service. Once the link is added, Elementor will automatically display the video in the widget. After that, you can fine-tune the playback options. If you want the video to begin at a specific point, use the start time setting. You can also set an end time if you only want viewers to watch a certain segment. This is especially useful for tutorials, product demos, or clips where you only want to show part of the video. You can also enable autoplay if you want the video to start playing automatically when the page loads. Just keep in mind that most browsers require the video to be muted for autoplay to work properly, so if you turn autoplay on, you'll usually want to switch on mute as well. That helps the video play more smoothly without browser restrictions. If you want the video to play on a continuous repeat, turn on loop. This makes the video restart automatically when it reaches the end, which can be useful for background-style videos or short looping content. You can also hide the player controls if you want a cleaner look. Turning off the controls removes the play and pause bar, which works well if you want the video to feel more minimal and professional. Once the main playback settings are done, click the Style tab in the left panel. This is where you control how the video looks on the page. One of the most important options here is aspect ratio. If you want a standard widescreen layout, choose 16:9. If you're working with vertical content, such as shorts or mobile-first videos, 9:16 may be the better choice. Choosing the right ratio helps your video display properly without awkward cropping or empty space. You can also use CSS filters to adjust the appearance of the video player. For example, if the image feels too dark or too bright, you can tweak brightness or contrast until it looks right for your design. These styling tools help the video blend into your page instead of looking out of place. Take a moment to preview everything before you publish. Make sure the video appears in the correct spot, the source is set correctly, and the settings match the look and feel you want. If something looks off, you can always go back and adjust the widget settings before publishing. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Your video will now be live on your Elementor page for visitors to watch. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a video in Elementor. It's a simple process once you know where the video widget is and how to configure the source, playback, and style options. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Elementor tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.